Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily unlink your mobile number to apps. So let's head over to the Google app. Then just simply click on your profile icon. Then click on Google account. Let's just head over to personal info. Then scroll down until you can see phone. Just click on it. And from here, you can see a list of mobile numbers connected to your account. Just click on the mobile number, then click on the delete button, then remove number. And in that way, you have now successfully unlinked your mobile number to different apps. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily unlink your mobile number on apps. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!